Hi folks, this is all the fruit and today I want to do an unboxing video. I finally received the package from one of my viewers on YouTube, Mihai from, I'm sure I'm butchering the name, sorry, I have no idea about Romanian pronunciation. Well, he's from Romania and he's sending me a couple rare fruit and also some camping kit. Well, the rare fruit are some Reticulatus cantaloupensis melon hybrid. However, it took extremely long for the package to arrive here and I'm afraid that this melon has, well, I'm also afraid that they were throwing the package like crazy and so they broke the melon and it probably started rotting. Then there are some pink fleshed pears, some red fleshed apples, and an extremely rare fruit, Nitraria schroberi. Well, the camping gear, as far as I know, there is a mess kit, a small burner, an interesting military-style backpack, and a military-style shovel, especially in case I want to do some root videos instead of some fruit videos. Well, now let's see in what condition everything is inside. As I said, I'm afraid this amount of liquid is probably the melon, but yeah, they treat packages very bad here in the mail, and also it took it over 10 days to arrive here because of COVID delay. So yeah, I'm afraid the melon is gone, but let's see about the rest. I've never done an unboxing video before, and I think I've almost never watched unboxing videos since usually I thought them boring, but now I'm really excited. This is a lot of stuff I cannot get around here. Some of this stuff I've seen around the internet, but now I will see it for the first time in real life. Well, he put a lot of effort into properly packaging it, but I'm afraid they threw it so much that this seems to be some strange discoloration stain, or no, probably it's something that was painted on the cardboard before. Yeah, I would say it smells like rotten melon, not like rotten apple or pear. Oh, I was so excited about the melon, but those mailing services, they will spoil anything. Yeah, look how much effort he put into properly packaging it, but when it travels forever in the mail, no matter how you package it, it's gonna spoil. Yeah, I think it smells like rotten melon in here. What a pity. So many cardboard boxes and still. Okay, here is the content, but most of the inner cardboard is soft and yeah, rotten melon. What a pity. What a pity, folks. So this looks like it's the mess kit. He said that it's new and he oxidized it. Well, now I'll have to wash it because it's smeared with melon juice, but it's beautiful. Let's look at it. Okay, it would be quite hard to open it with one hand. Nice handle. This is the lid. What is inside? This is the burner. Yeah, beautiful. It is really beautiful. Yeah, but now I'll have to wash it. Well, let's see. Oh, he even packed the melon into some styrofoam. Yeah, it would have been perfect if it hadn't taken so long, and I guess probably they also threw this thing around like crazy. Okay. Let's open this anyway. Okay. Let's take it out of here and put it in here. Well, he packed it in so many plastic bags and styrofoam and other things. Okay, I'll put down the phone for a moment and cut this stuff open. Oh wait, this is not. This is. Yes, this is the melon. Yeah. What a pity. This looks like no melon I've seen before. Look at this golden and slightly warty surface. Oh my. He talked so much about this melon, and then when he sent it, it's rotten. Oh no. What a pity. Completely rotten. Look at this beautiful surface. Well, the melon is rotten, but the mesquite is beautiful. Let's go on. There is a lot more stuff in here. Oh, this is the shovel. Well, usually they're also great weapons. I've seen a lot of war movies where people basically, use them as their preferred weapon of close combat. Beautiful. A bit heavy to go with me on hiking trips, but since I'm also working as a habitat manager, and since it's sometimes too much trouble to take a big spade with me, especially when I'm just hiking for miles through the forest with my backpack, this is actually going to be a very valuable addition to my working gear. Okay, a lot of paper. He put so much thought and so much effort into packing this, and and then it took them too long to deliver it, and I also suspect, because I've gotten a lot of packages in recent years which looked like somebody had played football with them, I suspect it's not only the delay, but also that somebody threw this package around too much. Oh, those must be the red fleshed apples. Well, they are red from the outside, but they should be red from the inside. Oh, yeah. Well, it took the package a long time, so one of the apples is starting to rot, but the other one is still good. Well, from the outside they look like some quite normal white fleshed apples, but I'm confident that on the inside they will be very interesting. I'm gonna make a video about them. Unfortunately, there is nothing to make a video about. Oh no, oh no, there is something else that's rotten. This package took forever. I think he sent it last Tuesday. Oh my god. My first unboxing video, and it's such a horrible fail. This guy put so much effort into this package, and now that... Oh my. Well, okay, let me put down the phone again. Cut this open. Oh no, this looks like... This looks like pears. Okay, the pears are also completely gone, both of them. So for now we have some very interesting camping / survival gear. But from the fruit, the only thing that survived properly is an apple. Oh my. Okay, lots of paper for packaging. This seems to be a canteen. Okay, now I need to be careful not to damage it. Oh, beautiful. A military style canteen. Beautiful. Well, oh my. Okay. Ain't that beautiful, folks? Nice old military style stuff. Those old aluminum canteens covered with some wool, with some woolen fabric. Beautiful. Okay. This should be the backpack, the tornister. Well, at least it seems it was not spoiled but by the various juices. Where did I put the knife? Oh no. Now I lost the knife into all the packaging material. Well, nah. This machete is too big. If I try to open it with the machete, I'm gonna cause more damage than necessary. Okay, let me get some pocket knife. Sorry, I lost the first knife in this mountain of packaging material. Look how much effort he put into properly packaging everything, and then they just took forever. Okay, I'm being very careful now. This is gonna be a very long video, but unpacking so much stuff with one hand is not easy, folks. Well, I mean, I think I'll have to do a second video just to present the stuff. Okay, well, let's continue this unpacking on the floor. I'll have to clean everything because everything is full of melon and pear juice, but at least it didn't get inside this plastic bag. Come on. Well, okay, I think I will do another video where I properly present all this camping gear. Now let's see what else is in here. Oh my, I don't even know what this is, but I do not want to unpack it with one hand and with a sharp object, folks. This should be a bottle of liquor of the rare species Nitraria schroberi. This could be the fruit of Nitraria schroberi. There is a nice letter. The letter, fortunately, stayed dry. And this is, oh my god, look at that. Yeah. And this is, well, I don't want to unpack it now with one hand, folks. I'll unpack this stuff and I'll do another video just to show you what survived from this wonderful package. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that, most of the fruit went bad, but I still hope the Nitraria schroberi here in this little package is gonna be good. Well, folks, this was my first unboxing video. Unfortunately, due to the long transportation time, a lot of the stuff in the box was spoiled. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos. And send me your rare fruit. I'll make a video about it, definitely. Send me everything I cannot get here in Germany. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the from beautiful places all over the world from which people send me packages. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.